Full wets here for the final race. The first full wet race of the whole campaign is the final race of the series at Brands Hatch. Josh Brooks off pole position, gets good drive on the Tyco Suzuki. We're looking for Shaky Byrne's helmet, and he goes for an outside line to try and wing his way around the outside into Paddock Hill.
It's dangerous, because if anything happens, you're going to cop for it.
Josh Brooks storms off at the front. Alex Lowes is in the cut and thrust in the midst there. Dan Linfoot in fourth place behind Chris Walker, and I think Lee Costello might have made a sharp start as well on the Halsall Racing bike. There's one of the Milwaukee Yamahas is well up as well.
There's Freddie Foray going round the outside. I've got to say, Shane Byrne not made a bad start from where he was. It's about as good as he could have hoped for.
And I'm looking, there is Alex Lowes. Alex Lowes is in front of a front row starter there, PJ Jacobs.
Yeah.